Good morning, family and friends. Today, we will conclude our discussion about drowning, focusing on prevention. To avoid this horrific tragedy, here are 7 essential steps you must take now. Number 1, make sure everyone in your family learns how to swim. Check with your local YMCA, American Red Cross, or Parks and Recreation Department for affordable or even free swimming lessons. Number 2, if you have a pool at home, install effective barriers. This includes a 4-sided isolation fence that completely separates the pool from the house and yard. And safety covers. Consider adding door chimes or alarms on any doors that lead to the backyard, so you will be alerted anytime someone goes outside, especially children. These are in addition to the fencing and pool covers. Number 3, never swim without a lifeguard on duty. This applies to all bodies of water, including residential pools, water parks, beaches, and lakes. So the bottom line, if you're hosting a pool party, you must hire a certified lifeguard. Number 4, always assign a designated water watcher. Even if there's a lifeguard, choose one responsible adult whose only job is to watch the children. This person should not swim, drink alcohol, or engage in other activities. Ideally, they should know how to swim and perform CPR. Number 5, ensure rescue equipment is available. Have flotation devices, rescue tubes, and a shepherd's crook, also known as a body hook, near the pool or waterfront at all times. Number 6, never allow diving into a pool. Diving into shallow water can cause devastating spinal cord injuries, including permanent paralysis or even death. Number 7, everyone on a boat should wear a U.S. Coast Guard approved life jacket. This includes strong swimmers as well. A sudden fall into cold or rough water can still be fatal without a life jacket. Besides knowing how to swim, everyone should learn basic CPR. In an emergency, your actions may save a life. Contact your local Red Cross or American Heart Association to find an in-person CPR course near you. If, however, you are pressed for time, the American Heart Association offers free CPR videos on YouTube, including one specifically on how to help a drowning victim. I'll post the link in the chat. Please take a few minutes to educate yourself. It could make all the difference. Well, that's it for today. See you next week, and stay safe and informed.